Hi everyone, in today's I'm going to show to you how to list property on Agoda. So the first step is to go to agoda.com and log into your account, or you can create a brand new one if you want it completely free. And as you can see here, you have this list your place button. Simply click on it and then you'll get redirected here where you'll have to enter some information about you, your name. You'll have to upload your profile photo. You'll have to verify your email address and then enter your phone number. And then basically you can add a listing. So you'll have to click on add a listing. So it's very important, these steps here. And here, if you are already hosting an Airbnb, you can enter the link of your Airbnb and basically it will be imported right here and you don't have to do it all over again. But if you don't have an Airbnb and you want to only list your property here on agoda.com, simply complete this, enter all this information. So you have to enter property type, property size, rooms and details, and then click on next, and then you have to complete all these informations. As you can see, it's very easy. So here you'll have to enter the street address, state, province, city, and much more. And after you enter the location, the description, and the pricing, you'll have to add some photos and then simply click on publish, and that's all. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.